How to download Instagram Reels on your phone. Today, I'll walk you through the method for downloading Instagram Reels on your device. This method is straightforward and utilizes Instagram's own built-in tool. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, navigate to the reel you want to download. It could be from your own account or another user's reel. From the sharing menu, select Add to your story. This will add the reel to your Instagram story. Once the reel is in your story, you can stretch it to fill the entire screen. This makes it easier to save as a full video. Now, tap the three-dot menu icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your story. From the three-dot menu, select Save. This will save the reel to your device. Since the reel is now saved to your device, you can discard the story. This won't affect the saved video on your phone. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded an Instagram Reel to your device. This method is quick and easy, especially when you want to save your own reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.